For today's nail art, we are going to do a floral design. I'm starting off with my nails polished Tempest from Sinful colors, and I'm going to apply a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. First, I'm going to stamp some branches in the background using Renaissance Rose from Clear Jelly Stamper, and the color I'm using is Crowley from Maniology. In the corner of my nail, I'm going to stamp the first layer of our flower using a white polish from Born Pretty. Now I'll add a second flower in the opposite corner of my nail. To outline the flower, I'm going to use Monarch Dream from Maniology. For the center of our flower, I'm going to use the same color I used for the branches, which was Crowley from Maniology. Now we'll add a few leaves to our design using the color Forest from Mundo. To outline the leaves, I'm going to be using Military Green from Mundo. Remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's our finished design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.